busted, deprived of his riches. Low-level aides that turn out to be snitches. Preyed on search warrants, on collusion rings. These are a few of my favorite stings. How do I solve my problem with the media? What do I do to change the storyline? Just send out a crazy tweet about North Korea. Kick back and watch them change to new headlines. High on a hill with my handy laptop, hacking and attacking, you don't have a clue. Fake news accounts running online non-stop, you don't know what happened, but I do. The hill is alive with the sound of rumor. Don't show fear or tweet a smear. Say nothing to anyone. He may look beyond yourself for the red-hot smoking gun. So he might chase Hillary. I would have to say no. I could plant it in his head. That would bring us back to don't. Search every closet, dump every drawer, unplug every faucet.